Hello everyone and welcome, and today we'll be doing a quick review on Quizbot. That is Quizbot AI. Quizbot is good news. It is now capable of generating questions from images within the uploaded document, and very soon you'll be able to create and download interactive simulations on any topic, picture, video or link. But for now, what is Quizbot? Quizbot is a sophisticated artificial intelligence powered question generator meticulously engineered to transform and optimize question and exam creation process. You can try it for free at 40 questions, no credit card needed. So as you can see, it's very good for question generation, image generation, code generation, online tutoring. You can ask it any question, you can ask it to rewrite for you, and also to check for plagiarism. So you can work as an individual, as a team. You can see your saved questions, as you can see here. It can be Word. You can create multiple choice questions from any document, whether Word, PDF, PowerPoint. You can create multiple choice questions from any link, any topic, any video, any picture, then audio. You can even create similar multiple choice questions from a test. You can solve an existing test or exam using Quizbot. It has so many great things. So as you can see, like we said before, question generation, programmability checker, AI rewriter, AI content detector, differentiated, multilingual. That is, can create your questions and answers in 55 different languages to receive full benefits of the system. And for differentiated, it can develop a comprehensive suite of assessments, including questions of tiered difficulty to accurately evaluate varying levels of proficiency. So these are all the great stuff you get if you use it. It can be used by teachers, by students, by schools, organizations, companies, or tutors. They have great question templates for multi-choice questions, open-ended questions, true or false questions, fill in the blanks, matching questions, calculations, missed questions, Bloom's taxonomy, Gardner's, OpenStax libraries, survey like ads. Teacher tools, interactive simulations is coming very soon. So you can get great stunning images in seconds. Simply input your desired text and watch your vision come to life. You can effortlessly transcribe any audio file into text with this innovative AI application. It can create custom code in seconds, leveraging state-of-the-art AI technology to quickly and easily generate code in any language. There's so much more. You can see so much more it can do for you. It is really great. Really great. Pictures, text summarizing, you can see link summarizing, creating flashcards, PowerPoints, feedback, survey form questions, test solving, mixed questions, OpenStax, playground, so many great things you can get from it. You can see that there are too many, and some are coming real soon. This fall will be coming real soon, and it's trusted by many schools and companies, so it is very great. It's a cutting-edge artificial intelligence system, and it's not just another question generator but a revolution in itself. Trusted by all those people, it has flexible pricing. You have the monthly plan, the yearly plan, and the prepaid plan. When you go for the yearly plan, 2 months free. You can see all the benefits in it. So you also have a question you can ask. Support team, they are ready to answer your questions instantly, making it quicker than ever. So what are you waiting for? Start your free trial. No credit card needed. It's just buy only what you need. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this review helpful. See you in the next one.